Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. What follows are my personal experiences using the service. The website in question for this review is https://www.rbs.co.uk. This is the official website for the Royal Bank of Scotland, RBS, a prominent banking institution operating primarily within the United Kingdom. Navigating to the homepage, users are immediately presented with a clean and modern interface, designed for ease of use and quick access to key services. The main navigation bar typically features options such as personal, business, private banking, and help and support. These categories allow users to quickly find information relevant to their specific banking needs. For personal banking customers, the website offers a wealth of resources, including online account management, loan applications, mortgage information, and investment options. Users can access their accounts securely, view transaction history, transfer funds, and pay bills electronically. The site also provides detailed information on various financial products and services, helping customers make informed decisions about their finances. Business customers can similarly access a range of services tailored to their needs, including business accounts, merchant services, and commercial lending solutions. The website typically features dedicated sections for different business sizes, from small startups to large corporations. These sections often provide specialized resources and advice relevant to each business segment. The private banking section caters to high-net-worth individuals, offering bespoke wealth management services and tailored financial solutions. This section often highlights the bank's expertise in areas such as investment management, financial planning, and estate planning. The help and support section provides a comprehensive knowledge base with answers to frequently asked questions, as well as contact information for customer support representatives. Users can typically access support through various channels, including phone, email, and online chat. Furthermore, the website often features a branch locator tool, allowing users to find the nearest RBS branch to their location. While the specific layout and features may evolve over time, the core functionality of the RBS website remains consistent, providing users with a convenient and secure platform to manage their finances and access a wide range of banking services. Keep in mind that website experiences can be subjective, and your own mileage may vary.